Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I thought we could do like a chatty baking with me, like kind of like one of those chatty get ready with me's. But yeah, I'm no beauty guru really, so I thought we could make some banana cookies because I have some bananas that have just gone bad. And I just wanted to chat really because I'll get into that later. So I have these bananas that are pretty overripe, so I really wanted to make some sort of like banana breakfast cookies, like with some oats. Like that kind of like fake healthy banana cookie. But yeah, I also went to the shops like an hour ago, so I thought I'd just do like a mini grocery haul before we do that. So I bought some random stuff. I got like this pasta sauce from Aldi, which was like $2. I don't know, I got it because it had like no sugar in it. And the ingredients look pretty yummy and it's just like easy for like quick after uni meals where I just am like ravenous and there's no food. And I picked up some curry paste. I just grabbed this. It was one of those like random grocery trips where I really didn't need to go grocery shopping. I was just really bored and was driving past the grocery store and I was like, cool, I'll just go. Yeah, I don't really know, to be honest. I usually just dump a whole thing of this in any curry I make because it makes it taste like awesome. But I haven't tried this one, so hopefully it's good. Then, okay, let's be real. We all know this is the real reason I went to Aldi. I ran out of chocolate. So I got some dark chocolate chili, which I already ate a bar of, and I really like that it came in these individual bars. So it actually like makes me not eat the whole bar, which kind of sucks because it means it's more packaging. And then I also, this is like dark chocolate chili and this is dark hazelnut. And I love dark chocolate with stuff in it. It's my favorite, like raisins, hazelnuts, almonds, chili, sea salt. I'm just a sucker for that stuff. Then I also got these under cabinet baskets from Aldi. They were like $3 each. And I have like not that much storage space in my kitchen, like you can basically see all of it. It's just like there's one drawer here, there's my fridge, and then my pantry is literally just that area above the fridge that has like all my baking stuff, and then there's like a tiny cupboard up there, and that's where I keep like all my groceries. So I'm only one person, so like that's not really a big deal, but you know, a little extra storage never hurt anyone. You see that? Yeah, so I'm gonna try to put them there, so then I have like double the amount of storage. Yeah, they actually fit perfect. I was so lucky. For a second I thought they were gonna be too wide to both fit there. They fit perfect. They're not very stable because they're only like hung on by like, they like swing down like this, but yeah, it'll do. I'll just put like pasta and stuff in there. Not too heavy. And then I also went to Naked Foods, which I've never been to before, but I so got targeted on Facebook. Like an ad came up and it was like 20% off first Monday of the month. And I was like, dope, I'm gonna go. But I just got like a bag of like roasted salted almonds because, you know, I could go for the unsalted, unroasted ones, but is that really as fun? I'd probably eat double the amount because they wouldn't be as tasty. And then I also got some dark chocolate covered goji berries so I can pretend I'm healthy. But these are actually delicious. Like, this is my new favorite snack. I love them. I used to be so good at this nice stuff. And then I also got like a micro scoop of cacao powder. I've never actually tried it before and everyone's like it's basically just cocoa powder but healthier. So I don't really get it, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, let's get back to what we're gonna do today. So I have these like very squishy bananas. Like a lot of people freak out when they see bananas like this. There's a bunch of fruit flies like just chilling on them as well. Anyway, so I thought I'd make some banana cookies and then we can just chat about life. I can just like talk to you guys about my life. Not that it's very interesting, but you know, while we do this I can snack on a couple of goji berries. Oh yeah, I forgot, I also bought this giant tub of Greek yogurt. Because I usually buy like the 1 litre one and I go through it in a week and the best before is until like the 16th of April, so I was like I may as well just get the jumbo one. I don't know if this is even going to fit in my fridge. Okay, I just shuffled my whole fridge around, but it fits, so. I'm going to start by preheating my oven. And then we're going to mash these bananas. My boyfriend always gets mad at me because he says that I can't talk and cook at the same time. So this may be a challenge for me. Anyway, I really wanted to chat today because I feel like recently I've just been like so struggling with like hobbies and like what I want to do, blah, blah, blah. Because I'm like currently halfway through my degree and I really do like it. But like, we're applying for jobs and internships right now and I just keep thinking like I don't think I would be completely satisfied just doing my job forever. Like I feel like that might be obvious to some people, but I really value like my hobbies, and I think I don't know, I have a lot more to offer than just like my corporate job or whatever I'm going to do kind of thing. Like I love to cook, and I see you just get so inspired when you see all these awesome people like doing all this awesome stuff, and you're like, I can do that. Like, why have I not done something like that before already, you know? Alright, so I'm mashing these bananas. I feel like usually I've had such defined goals that I want to achieve. Like, you know, 2019 clicks over, and usually I'd be like, oh my god, this year I want to do this, and I want to do this, and blah 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 blah, I want to get healthy, and whatever. And when I make those goals, I really mean it. Like, I'm not like, oh yeah, it'd be good if I got healthy. Like, I actually want to get healthy. And a lot of the time, like everyone says, your resolutions, you don't achieve them. And so in the past, like, I set all these goals that I'm really passionate about, and then I get really disappointed when like I don't achieve them. And I think like, so now I just feel less inclined to make goals because I just feel like I'm gonna fail anyway. Like, I don't know if any of you guys have ever felt like that. But it's like, I could really want to do this cooking channel or something like that. Okay, so now we've got our bananas mushed. We're gonna beat our eggs and our butter. Butter, 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 ooh, butter, 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 and butter, 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 butter. Alright. So my butter is mega soft now. But now I'm gonna whip it into shape. And I'm gonna add my sugar, honey. I've been weighing a lot of my ingredients just so I have like less dishes to do. So if I have to use half a cup, a quarter cup, a third cup, you gotta wash all that. But if I weigh it, then I only need like one plate or bowl. Right, so doing like half a cup of white sugar, and then we're gonna do like a quarter cup of brown sugar, I reckon. Just so you know, we get that molasses in there, but it's extra tasty. Yeah, we just got like a dabbling of brown sugar in there. Oh man, there's something like mega special about butter and sugar. Really just, I feel like I had a lot of other stuff I wanted to talk about when I started this video. Now it's started and I'm like, because you guys can't talk back like I wish you could. Now I just don't even. Okay, so you actually want to see your butter get like super light in color. Like you can see kind of on the edge of the bowl where I haven't beaten the butter, and it's like a lot darker brown. So once you've got to that stage, you know we're ready for the next step. We're gonna add our eggs, vanilla, and our bananas. So we're gonna add, excuse me, we're gonna add 1 egg. I just think eggs are super cute. Like, I don't know. There is our egg. Then we've got our mashed bananas. I usually don't measure my vanilla, I just kind of wing it. That looks like enough. And then we're just going to beat it on low, just to get those ingredients combined. So right now it looks a little separated, but that's okay. It's going to get fixed when we add the dry ingredients. So with that, we're whacking in 1.5 cups of plain flour, some baking soda, and some salt. And also a little bit of cinnamon if that's like your thing. Hey Google, what's 1.5 cups of flour in grams?
Oh, it's 4 1/4 ounces or 120 grams.
Alright, so with that math, that's 180 grams. Alright, so we've got our weighed out flour to pop in. Teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to go for a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm not the biggest fan of cinnamon. I know like there are people who are obsessed with cinnamon, like it is their favourite flavour of anything. But I've never bought anything cinnamon flavoured, like ever. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fold in these ingredients because we don't want to lose the air we created when we like whipped that butter. So just fold in these ingredients until everything is combined. And then we're going to add our oats and our chocolate chips. A lot of my friends have gone overseas on holidays, and it's not even like that many of them, like kind of like my closest friend. And a lot of people have just become like increasingly busy and stuff, which is awesome. Like I'm so happy for them, and I know they're having like the best time. But I've just been like so lonely. Like I feel like, I don't know, everyone's busy and I'm such an extrovert. Like I love hanging out with people. Like people literally give me life. So I just feel I've had like no hobbies, no goals, no like people to hang out with. So I've just been like, I don't know, kind of like down, I guess. And everyone's like telling me how to fix it. Like obviously I can just go do some stuff, like try some new things. But I just feel like it won't like help. Like I could go skydiving, but that's not gonna like make anything better. Like I think I need to find like a sustainable thing that I actually like love. But, like, so that used to be YouTube for me. I used to like just, every time I had time I would make videos. So that's what I really liked doing. And recently I've just like, I just keep thinking like YouTube seems like such a toxic place sometimes, and like that is just advertising for people who don't need stuff, and people like just feel jealous of people's perfect lives and everything. So I just don't want to like create toxic content that's going to add to that, if that makes any sense. Alright, so now our batter kind of looks like this. It's like nice and, nice and creamy, I would say. So now we're going to add our oats and our chocolate, and then we're done. Yeah, that actually looks like a lot of oats, but we're going to make it work. Don't freak out. And then of course, we're going to add some choc chippies, because if you know anything about me, it's that I'm obsessed with chocolate. I think I would actually just die if I didn't have it anymore. As I don't have any choc chips, and that's a big problem, okay? So we're just gonna make these choc chip free, which I don't even know if that's a thing. Anyway, I feel like that's why a lot of people start YouTube, they say. Because they're really lonely, wanted to connect with like the online community. So I think I might join that club. Wow, the cinnamon in these tastes really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna get out my baking tray and spoon these out. I just usually get a tablespoon. I don't really care about like what they look like, so I just get a tablespoon. I don't like getting my hands that dirty, so I just whack them down on there. I feel like if you just whack them down, they look a bit more rustic and like, you know, extra homemade. I don't know if you guys play any team sports, because like for as long as I can remember, I've played netball. Like I've probably been playing it for like, okay, not that long, like 8, 9, 10 years, something like that. And it's just like my favorite thing. Like I love team sports. I think it's so fun to like work together, to like win, or like just play. And this is like the first semester where like our social sport team hasn't worked out, so we left it too late. And there was like not enough people. So I think I was like really sad about it, but then I thought maybe this could be an opportunity to like join a club team or something like that, which I have not done for a long time. I think I'm usually pretty bad at looking on the bright side. I'm like, oh, it sucks, like everything sucks, blah blah blah. Like it can be kind of negative. It's only really like later that I realized like, oh, okay, we're making like mountains out of molehills here. Hey Google, set timer for 12 minutes. So I'm gonna pop those in the oven for around 12 minutes. And with this leftover batter that didn't fit on the baking sheets, I'm gonna get this cacao. I think I'm just gonna add like a teaspoon. I don't really know. I don't even know if this tastes chocolatey or what's this gonna work out like. But you always wanna be experimenting in the kitchen, I feel like. You can get really caught up in following a recipe. Like there have been times where I've been making a recipe and I'll be like, oh my god, I only have 100 grams of flour, not like 120. It's not gonna work. I think you can get really caught up in like recipes and whatever. And really, some of the best chefs just like wing it. This is where I go sit on the couch and look at the bowl, so I'll see you in a second. Hey Google, stop alarm. Ooh, yeah. They're done. Alright, so the cookies are ready. They actually look really good. That is super good. They're nice and soft, so if you like crunchy cookies, I'd probably keep them in the oven for like a couple more minutes. But I love them like this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and like listening to me rant about my stupid ass life. But actually, I don't know, it makes me feel better, even though there's probably none of you out there watching and whatever. So thank you anyway. I hope you guys are doing well, and let me know. And just talk to me in the comments, really. I just want to know more about what's going on with you. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.